Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to be telling you about Smartsheet and how you can use it to manage your project. So without wasting any more of your time, let's just jump into it. So the first thing that I want you guys to do is come over to smartsheet.com. Now once we're over here, all we have to do is just simply sign up. So to sign up, just simply click on Start Now, Start Smartsheet for free, or click on Start Smart for free over here at the top or over here at the bottom. So simply click on the button, and once we're over here, just simply enter in your email address, or you can sign up with Google by clicking with the help of a single button. So let's just go ahead and do that. And I'm going to go ahead and sign up with Google because it's a lot more easier. It saves time and you can sign up with just a single click of a button, as I said before. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I will catch you guys in a little bit. And as you can see over here, now all we have signed up. Now all I have to do is just simply click on this button so that I agree to their terms and services, and then just simply click on continue. Now over here, they're telling us to let's set up a project. Basically, it's going to be a demo, but let me just click on no thanks because I'm going to be showing step by step on how you get here. Now this is an important step. Basically over here, you will have to invite your teams. So basically just add in the email addresses of your teams, and you can just simply click on send invite and it will send an invitation to your team. I'm going to go ahead and add my other emails, and once you've added your email, just simply click on send invite and it will send an invite to your team members, and then you can just go ahead and start doing it. So over here, as you can see, this is our go-to workspace. This is how it will look like. Now you can go ahead and choose a template if you want, but we're not going to do that. We're going to go over the few things that we have over here one by one so you get a better understanding of what it is. So this is how it basically looks like. This is our team over here. As you can see, this is our board right here, and this is some of the projects that I have created. It's a project launch plan, this is the project with Gantt timeline, and this is the project with task board. Now as you can see, this is pre-made already, so you don't have to worry about that. So over here, let's just go on our home page, and over here, as you can see, everything is blank, like it's all clear because we have nothing to do. This was our home page. Now we can go ahead and create something over here. Basically, we can create a project. If we click on that button, we can create some grids, projects, cards. We can create task lists, forms, reports, and dashboard slash portal, and many more. And over here, we can just simply import it. If you already have a project on hand and you want to import it over here, basically, if you're trying to shift things up, you can import it by clicking over here, and you can import your project from these websites, such as from Trello, from Google Sheets, Microsoft Projects, and Excel as well. And then down below, you will have all the other things that you might need, such as you have solutions such as recently added, you have clients and customers, you have finance and accounting, you have general management, and many more categories of templates that you might need. So up here, these are some of the general templates that are some of most popular and easy to use. And then down below, we have other templates of within that same category as well. And then if we look at down below, and then we have template sets. Basically, it takes your work management to the next level with the pre-built sheets and reports and dashboards as well. And then if we look at down below, we have add-ons. Basically, we have some plugins for Smartsheet. So we have Data Shuttle, Dynamic View, we have Gmail, we have Microsoft Teams, we have Outlooks, and we have Skype, and many more. So you can access them by clicking on the Solution Center over here, as you can see. So I've already over here, as you can see, and then up top over here from on the left side, you have favorites, you have recents, you have browse, you have notifications. Basically, if you have some notifications, that they will be shown over here in this block over here. And then down below, we have launch. Basically, it will help us to download apps. So we have work app, then we have solution over here. As you can see, I'm already over here. So now let's go ahead and create one. So if we click on create, we can go ahead and click on project. Then over here, we can name our projects. Let's just name it test, and then click on OK. It takes a couple of seconds, and then that is it. Boom. As you can see, it's done. We have this quick little tutorial that is helping us, but we don't need it because everything is pretty straightforward. It's simple and nothing new over here. So this is how it looks like. Basically, over here, we have this borderline. Basically, these are going to be our tasks. This is our main project area, and this is just like a calendar of sorts, basically to highlight deadlines, stuff like that. So we have our task names, we have a duration, start, finish, process. We have our processors assigned to complete, status, and com as well. And we have some Gantt view as well. So if you want to change the view up, you can change the view by clicking this button. Then we have filters, then we have fonts, size of the board. We can change the text bold, italic and stuff like that. We can even underline them, and we can like align the cells and stuff like that. We have all these different options that are helpful to make our workflow much easier. So it's pretty simple, it's pretty straightforward. You just simply sign up, you create your project. If you already have one, you can just go ahead and import it by clicking on the import button, and then you're good to go. And then over here, this is the conversations tab. Basically over here, you can like notify your others by tagging them, and you can like give out hints and comments and stuff like that. And you can also add comments in the comment section over here, as you can see in the comment row. Basically, if you want to change something about a different project, let's just say someone did a voiceover and that voiceover was not like really good, or that you want to like change it up a little bit, you can just go ahead and add a comment in the comment section, or you can like tag them in the conversation text over here. And then down below you have your attachments. Basically, you can send in files and pictures and stuff like that. You can just simply drag and drop them, or you can just simply click on the attached file to the sheet, and just simply select the file that you want. And then down below we have proof. Basically, you can create a proof. Now, if you're wondering what is a proof, basically it's kind of like you can say like if someone is, it's kind of like an example. Okay, like for example, it's kind of like an example. Like let's just say someone wants an example of a project. You've already attached it, they can just simply go ahead and do that. Then you have update request. Basically, you can request some updates on the project. Then you have publish, we have activity log, so that we can get an idea of all the activity that has happened on this certain sheet. And you can also download it as well for clients, see that hey, we have been doing your work, we're not slacking off or stuff like that. Basically kind of like a proof that you have been working. Then you have integrations as well. You have 10,000-foot integration. Basically, it's a resource management that you can go ahead and download, and you can sign up as well if you want to. Like all these things, like if you don't need to, you can like keep it blank and stuff. And then you have some settings as well. You can edit a project. Basically, you can go ahead and access dependency settings. You have timeline display, resource management, and many more. So you can go ahead and enter in a date, a start date, a end date, a complete column. You can add in processor durations. All the things that you basically need are going to be available to you in this section. So that is basically it, guys. That is all the things that you needed to know. Now let's just go ahead and check out some of the plans. Click on upgrade over here. As you can see, I'm basically in as you can see, we have 3 plans over here: the pro plan, the business plan, and the enterprise. They give out a free plan, but it's only for 30 days. So then after that, you will have to upgrade your plan. So for the pro plan, you have unlimited viewers, you have unlimited sheets, you have capture data forms, you have grid, GAT, all the other types of views, you have pre-built automation rules, and you have support from Microsoft 365, Google Workspace, and Apple ID as well. And it's licensed, and it's priced at $7 per month, which is billed annually, and it has minimum 3 licenses, and you can have up to 25 licenses. And then we have business. Basically provides all the things that are included in the pro plan, but also has more, such as unlimited collaborators, unlimited sheets, as I said before, forms and conditional logs. You have document builders, unlimited automations, and you have custom brandings, and it's billed at $25 per license/month, and it is billed annually, and you have minimum of 3 licenses. And then you have the custom price, basically enterprise. Basically, you get all the bells and whistles, and you have a custom price. If you want them to, like, you can contact them, and then they will set you up with a price. And then down below we have all these different pros and cons. So as you can see over here, like the attachment file storage is only 20, and the maximum attached file is 30 MB. So basically you cannot like send a document that is more than 20 MB, and then the storage is only at 20 gigabytes. Whereas in the pro plan, you get 250 megabytes, and then for storage you have 100 terabytes. I think that pro plan is worth it. Like, it's not that expensive, and you get all the bells and whistles. As like, I recommend you going with the business plan, like, because it's not that expensive, and you get 1 terabyte of storage. Like, storage really matters in these project managements. Like, if you manage projects, you know that storage is really important. So but it all depends upon your needs and wants. So at the end of the day, I'm just over here like telling you about the softwares, and then at the end of the day, you have to be the ones to make the decision. So that is it for this video, guys. If you guys enjoyed it, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notifications. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.